Alright, hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Dairy Queen because I really wanted to try. Oh, it's a little scary. I don't know. But yeah, I got a camera, guys.
How may I help you?
Hi, do you guys have the new spicy tenders?
At this location, unfortunately, we do not sell any food items besides hot dogs and pretzel sticks.
Oh, sad. Okay, alright, never mind then. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, what? Now I have to find another Dairy Queen? What?
A few moments later.
Sauce for that?
Can I actually try it with like the ice cream soft serve?
Yeah, of course. Any drink for that?
Can I just go ahead and do a Diet Coke?
Of course. Anything else for you?
Yes. Can I also go, what's smaller than your mini size?
We just have the mini. There's nothing smaller than that.
Okay. Alright, can I go ahead and do one chocolate dipped strawberry one and then another red velvet cake one?
Okay. Anything else for you?
No, that should be everything.
Okay. That's what out the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, I came to a different location because obviously they didn't have food at the other one. But when I pulled up to this one, I was a little sus. It's really small. So I didn't know like what to think of. And I will move you guys here in a little bit. Sorry. I didn't know what to do in the moment, so I just like stuck you right here in the front. My house is a pretty girl. My house. Also, I don't know how much I just ordered. I think we're good. Is this a good angle? I can't tell, guys. My house is a pretty girl. I found you. My house was especially built for you. How did she not get a single Grammy? I feel so bad for Sabrina Carpenter this year. That was actually a really good, like, goated album, honestly. And I feel really bad because like I couldn't listen to it when it first came out because I was just going through it. You know, just like girl things, you know. But I started listening to it in December because I finally felt like I could listen to that album. And like, damn bro, how did she not? Like, that is so cute. It's like cute. It's a little cheesy. It's so perfectly rhymey. It has like that like late 70s, early 80s like vibe. Oh, bro, what?
Hi, hello. 26 with 9 cents.
26 with 9 cents.
Did you want the?
Sure.
I like your little penny.
Thank you.
Everyone's like, I don't want that. I'm like, why? A penny's a penny. It counts up.
I know. Which one's this one? Oh, it's red velvet. Is this the red velvet?
Red velvet.
Okay.
And this is a chocolate strawberry dip.
Thank you. Ooh. I don't know where to put these. Where am I gonna put my where am I gonna put my drink? Thank you. Oh my god, it's like cold in Denver. It was supposed to be warm. Lied to again by the weatherman. It's like 50 degrees, 50, 51. And it's 40 degrees. That's what it feels like. It's so cold. It only feels cold because I'm wearing like the thinnest black long sleeve and my leather jacket. Like, of course I would do this to myself. I feel like I can't wait. Y'all want me to try one? Okay, so I got the chocolate covered strawberry one mainly because I had it like 2 years ago with Elena in the car. Oh my god, y'all want to see that video? I'm gonna put it up here. And I fell in love with it. So freaking good. I do not remember them having it last year. Well, this is one of my favorite blizzards. One of my favorite blizzards of all time is the s'mores. I always think the minis are the best size. Oh, it's so good. So good. Happy Valentine's Day month. I didn't even get to say that. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know if I did a proper video. I just got my hair cut. I've not cut my hair in 1.5 years. I know. Don't worry. We'll be doing some more things later on this year, but so excited. I only also had a slice of banana bread this morning. I woke up not late, but I woke up so groggy. I did not feel like eating today, in the morning. So by the time I got to the hair salon, I went next door and picked up a pumpkin bread. Shout out Metropolitan Coffee. But if you've noticed, in today's video, we are trying, this video is going to be everywhere. I'm so sorry. We're trying out their Valentine's Day ice creams. And we're trying out their spicy tenders. And we're going to try it with the ice cream. I'm a little bit nervous. That's a lot of ice cream. Also, I just realized this is my second video with ice cream. Sorry. I do want to say I am the biggest fan of ice cream and frozen yogurt in the wintertime. Thank you. You too. Alright, you guys. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try this. Okay, so far 9.8 out of 10. And the red velvet, I want to give it a 9 out of 10. I was hoping I was going to get more of the cream cheese frosting taste. Because it's supposed to have cream cheese bites. But it for sure has the cake pieces. My house was especially built for you. Should have asked for ketchup. Damn. Ah! Well, this is a long French fry. I really like the sweets and salties. Alright, so we got the tender basket. We've also got our toast. Oh, I love when toast looks like this. And we've got our ice cream. I'm gonna regret not getting the gravy. White peppered gravy just does something to me, especially with this type of crust. But let's try it without. Ooh. Wait. This tastes really good. I did the 4, not the 6. I can taste the spiciness, but it's not bad. It's subtle. It is really good. Okay, the ice cream helped cool it down. But this is honestly a vibe. This is how they're not sponsoring, but this is how they're advertising it for you to get it with the ice cream. I really like this. I was not expecting this combination to be as good as it is. So I'm a little shocked right now, honestly. Toast. I can taste the butter. I never get to eat toast like this. Because all I ever eat is sourdough bread. But that's right here. Oh, just put it in your fries. Okay, that's way better than the Chick-fil-A fries. And the frosted drinks I had last time. I will say, OT told me that it's so much better with the Chick-fil-A fries and the Oreo milkshake. So maybe I can try that one day. Okay, I can feel the spice starting to kick in. No, this is so good. It would be really good with gravy, but this ice cream just really tones down the heat. I fuck with it. Honestly, for what it is, I want to give it a 10 out of 10. I want to give it a 9.5 out of 10 because I missed the gravy. But I feel like if I got it with gravy, my tongue would be on fire right now. So that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Oh, this chocolate covered strawberry thing is so good. And then the pieces of chocolate. Oh. They're crunchy, but they melt after like a few bites. And I really like that. Really like that. I'm so used to, like, if you stayed this long, just to let you know, I bought myself a camera for the first time ever. So excited. It's the Sony camera, the ZV-F1. I've been wanting this camera for 2 years. When I first saw it at Best Buy, it was at $3.99. It was on sale from $4.99. And it went up and now costs $5.99, so $600. And I have been wanting it for so long. And I was down bad last year financially, so I couldn't afford it. And I was just so sad, and I wanted it, and they had it in white and they had it in black. And I'm just like, oh, one day I'm gonna have like my own camera, like instead of my busted iPhone, you know? And when I started working in December, I started saving up money. So I saved up a good chunk of money. And then I used my Christmas money. My dad sent me some money. My mom did too. And then my grandma likes to send me money too whenever she gets paid. She's the only one that will send me money just to send me money. And this is so good. I love this concept. I don't know why. And it's so simple too. Anyways, so I had saved up that money, and then I finally went to Best Buy yesterday, and I bought my camera. I bought an SD card. I definitely want to buy another battery for this because I've seen online it doesn't last very long, so I want to buy like an additional battery and one more SD card. Probably with like a terabyte potentially, who knows, but I'm so proud of myself. Like I've had my YouTube for 3 years. We're on year 3. I've been wanting a camera for 2. And now we have it. I just feel really proud, you know? And then I just got a haircut today, which I'm gonna do this real quick. Just had toast in my hands. But we cut down my hair. It was down to my butt, like when I would straighten it. And I got like, just like a good chopping. And then some long layers. I didn't want to do too much. But now my hair looks extra healthy. And I am gonna get rid of the gold in my hair. We're gonna gloss that down, but probably like in a month or 2 we'll just like phew, we'll get rid of it because it's so grown out. Like my highlights are from like down here ish, and then the rest is just like dark. I don't like that. So we'll see what we do. But I had a good month in January. Feel like I've started off the year good for now. I'm scared someone's pulling up next to me. Y'all need to try this, honestly. It's so good. Like, this is never a concept that I thought I would be eating. Oh. But honestly, if you think it would gross you out, don't do it. Just get the gravy. I'm a little scared. Why am I being stared at? Oh my god. Yeah, that's spicy. Oh, sneak up on you. I was gonna go to the grocery store, but now I feel like I should go home. I didn't need to throw up with the ice cream and the Diet Coke, but I need groceries. Cause I just ate all my leftovers yesterday. Or I could have breakfast for dinner. Cause I don't think, oh yeah, I did eat breakfast yesterday. I had eggs and sirloin, like steak and eggs. There's snow flurries falling. But it's not even that cold. I'm so confused. It's melting pretty quickly though. Oh, anyways, back to the grocery stuff. Yeah. What? That's crazy. Do y'all want to see? Look. I don't know. It won't last for that long. But yeah. Alright, y'all. I think I'm done. I feel kind of full. I have a very little bit of ice cream left, and I have a chicken tender left. Like a bite of sandwich and some fries left. But other than that, thank you guys for joining me today and stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I definitely rate this a solid 9.5 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for what it is. Like the combination of ice cream and the chicken strips are really, really good. I really liked that. Like I mentioned, it does get spicier as you continue to eat it. So just as a heads up. And then we have our chocolate covered ice cream strawberry. What? We have our chocolate covered strawberry ice cream blizzard, which I really love. It's a perfect size. And then this one's a 10 out of 10. 9.7 out of 10. And then the red velvet cake. Oh, I just wanted more cream cheese. It's lighter than what you would expect in terms of flavor, which is great. Because I think red velvet is like one of those cupcakes or cakes that like are super like powerful with their flavor. So I would give it a 9.6 out of 10. I didn't taste the cream cheese, but I wish it was a little more like pow, you know? But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. And if you're new here, don't forget to go ahead and like my video and don't forget to subscribe. We're about like 4 or 5 people away from getting 500 followers, so that's really fun. But other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.